York, you think it's fair? You think it's fair? Because I see Wally Pitney there. You know me, myself, me about 15 Pitney in our crowd. And I don't want to cut my performance time short. I want to perform for the people, it's my first time. Right now, I'm hungry for perform. See it? What am I sing, sir?
Girl, come my way, no matter what time of day.
Ladies, ladies, ladies. Oh, 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 oh.
Yo, cut R. Kelly time. I want that part.
If me can't perform, R. Kelly can't perform neither.